Mom, can we buy a new Rubik's Cube? No. I'm going for a walk. So now that the first attempt is completely failed, let's think about the second attempt. But I literally have no idea in my brain. But let's think about it. Oh, wait, I got an idea. Why can't we go get a job and just get money from it and use that money to buy an even better cube? Let's just do it. Can I get a job? No. Now that our first plan is gone, let's use the plan B, which is nothing. Wait, is that a banana right there? I can easily sell that for $3. So I got the banana, sold to an old man for $3, and went to the something store to buy the cube. Can I get that Rubik's cube right there? When without any trouble he gave me the Rubik's cube and I got it and I gave him the money, and by this simple method we got the Rubik's cube for completely free.